Within 15
Hello,
minutes
sir.
you are.
Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible, but within 15 minutes you have to summarize the things.
Okay, sir. Good afternoon to all. Good afternoon, all of you, respected uh, all my sirs, my guides, Dr. Manoj sir, Dr. sir, and Aithal sir, and all the research scholars. Today I am presenting my progress. Sir, my presentation. Sir, presentation this ka, sir?
Oh, this thing.
Today I am delivering my PhD progress report presentation on studies on lipase producing probiotic bacteria as a hypercholesteremic agent under the guidance of Dr. A.V. Manwar sir. Here I am presenting the presentation of year 2019 and 2020 in here during the present period. I have isolated 24 lactic acid bacteria from 32 dairy samples and partially characterized for biochemical studies and studies and designated as L13, L14, L15, L16, L17, and L18 and L19. Means seven lactic acid bacteria that I have selected, which have the characters resemblance to the lactobacillus, and these all bacteria I have propagated for probiotic study of probiotic properties. Here the summary of previous works. During previously I have studied the methodology like isolation of lactic acid bacteria using MRS medium from the different dairy samples, and during this study I have selected seven lactic acid bacteria by screening lipolytic activity. Means I have screened these all isolates for lipolytic activity and selected seven strains of lactic acid bacteria for further study. And these seven strains I have studied for partial characterization by biochemical and morphological test, and identified the characters resemblance to lactobacillus. But here, sir, introduction skip करायचा आहे ना sir?
Yes. You skip the introduction, only present the progress.
Okay. Okay. During these studies, I have studied the four characters, four probiotic properties only, because these four probiotic properties, and these are the widely used probiotic properties to study the probiotic potential of lactic acid bacteria. These are the based on the guidelines reported by FAO and World Health Organization, World Health Organization group. There are the those probiotic properties are antimicrobial activity, antibiotic sensitivity test, resistance to bile salt, and resistance to gastric acids. During this session, during my objectives of work, objectives of studies, that is to characterize probiotic properties, to study resistance to gastric acidity, resistance to bile salt, growth inhibiting capacity on pathogenic bacteria, and antibiotic sensitivity test. Number four, methodology I have adopted during this study is acid tolerance test. Acid tolerance test was I have performed using MRS broth medium. Here the pH 3, pH 4. I have used to grow these all bacteria at pH 3 and pH 4. pH 3 is the pH which is resembles to gastric acid gut and gut. And this MRS broth I have MRS broth of pH 3 and pH 4, that is used used for the acid tolerance test, and pH 6 is as a control, because at pH 6 all these lactobacillus bacteria can grow optimally. By using HCl, I have adjusted the pH of MRS broth, and pH 6 sample is used as the control. This all this study of acid tolerance test I have done by turbidometric method. All broth, this all 7 bacteria that I have studied here, all 7 selected bacteria, and uh, and these all bacteria after inoculation of bacteria I have incubated in anaerobic conditions, and after 24 and after 2 and 4 hour incubation. Here incubation is for 2 and 4 hours only. 2 and 4 hours, and I have assessed for turbidometric analysis by using the spectrophotometer. Bile tolerance test. Bile tolerance test was again further tested in MRS broth, which contains 0.15 and 0.3% of cholesterol. 3% of bile salt. This 0.3% it is also concentration resemblance to the concentration in intestine. As the same method I have adopted 1% overnight growth culture of each isolates. I have inoculated into the into each broth and incubated at 37 degrees Celsius in anaerobic conditions, and after 2 and 4 hours I have measured by optical density at 600 nanometer by spectrophotometry. Then another a third method, that is the antibacterial activity. For antibacterial activity of lactic acid bacteria, I have used 4 test organisms, which are these are 4 test organisms are Escherichia coli, Staphylococcus aureus, Salmonella typhi, and Bacillus cereus. Among these, majority of these are the food pathogens, and one Escherichia coli is a commensal which is present in the colon. Here, these all test organisms to study the antibacterial activity for all test organisms. I have used the Muller-Hilton agar, and as this lactic acid bacteria is the facultative anaerobic, that during the incubation I have incubated these all bacteria uh, in the anaerobic conditions, and this I prepared agar. I have studied this antibacterial activity by agar-well diffusion method. 0.1 ml, 100 microliter of overnight grown culture of lactic acid bacteria was poured in a towel on plates, and plates were allowed to dry and incubated, and then I have adopted the method for antibacterial activity. In the same manner, I have used it to study the antibiotic sensitivity test. Yeah, for antibiotic sensitivity test, the standard antibiotics, the discs of standard antibiotics. I have used here the disc of standard antibiotics, that is the novomycin, erythromycin, uh, chlorotetracycline, gentamicin, tauramycin, polystyrene, carbenicillin, pyranacin, linomycin, cefuroxime, and kanamycin. These all discs were placed on previously inoculated MRS agar plates, and these plates were incubated at 37 degrees Celsius for 24 hours. And after the incubation zone of inhibition was recorded, and the result was the assessed. This is the result of acid tolerance test. Here, 7 isolates designated as L13, L14, L15, L16, L17, L18, and L19. These are the selected lactic acid bacteria which were studied for the acid tolerance test. Here, this is the result after 2-hour incubations. The optical density, the readings of optical densities are very less. That's why less. I have assessed this optical density at 600 nanometers. Same result was observed after 4 hours incubation. Here, during this acid tolerance test during the observation in the observation of acid tolerance test, all 7 selected isolates were studied for survival and growth in acidic condition at pH 3 and pH 4, and they are analyzed by spectrophotometric analysis. During this, L13, L14, and L18 can survive and grow moderately, while L17 show efficient growth at pH 3 and pH 4 in acid tolerance test. Means L 13, 14, and 13, 14, and 18 are the good for the acid tolerance test. Then in bile tolerance test, after 2 hours, this is the result of bile tolerance test. Here, lactic acid bacteria can tolerate the bile. L14, L17, L19. These all bacteria can tolerate the bile tolerance after 2 hours, and after 4 hours, the L14, L17, L14 and L19 showed more growth at 0.15 and 0.3% of bile salt concentration, while L16 shows the less growth. Then I have studied the antimicrobial activity of all selected lactic acid bacterial strains. During this, I have observed that L14 strain showed the very high activity against SRES. L17 and L18 showed very high activity against Bacillus cereus, while L18, L19 showed slight inhibitory activity against E. coli, while L13 and L17 strains showed a slight inhibitory activity against Salmonella typhi. And in the next study, that is antibiotic sensitivity pattern, I have studied different standard antibiotics used standard antibiotics. During this, I observed that L14 is resistant to cefuroxime and novobiocin, while L13 and L14 were resistant to chlorotetracycline. L16, L19 were resistant to linomycin, and L16 and L19 are resistant to erythromycin. Among all 7 lactic acid bacteria isolate, L15, L16 were resistant to majority of antibiotics, while L13, L14, and L19 isolates are intermediately resistant to majority of antibiotics. This antibiotic sensitivity assay that is mostly used for the lactic acid bacteria, as the lactic acid bacteria should be resistant to this antibiotics. This is the photography of work done here: acid tolerance test, bile tolerance test, and antimicrobial activity and antibiotic sensitivity test that I have used here. And during the summary of summary is in present study I have studied all 7 bacteria which are selected bacteria. I have studied for the probiotic properties, and the probiotic properties are strain specific, so it must be further study in vivo evaluations. And the future plan in this study, 7 lipase producing probiotic bacteria will be propagated for in vitro evaluation of cholesterol assimilation, and the cholesterol assimilation will be done using MRSR. This is my PhD future research plans, which I am presenting now as a part 2 here during the isolation after studying of probiotic properties of lactic acid bacteria. I have propagated the study for the cholesterol assimilation of the bacteria. This is the summary of previous work: isolation of lactic acid bacteria, evaluation of lipase producing and probiotic. Objectives of present work here. The aim of present work is to screen the potential probiotic lactic acid bacteria for cholesterol assimilation. For this, I have studied in vitro evaluation of lactic acid bacteria under simulated gastrointestinal conditions.
Solone, can
hello.
you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes.
don't, now you are actually out of time.
Yes, sir.
Directly come to the summarization. You summarize your.
Okay, sir. I have studied for cholesterol assimilation by using MRS medium and another medium, that is the सर मी रिझल्ट डिस्क्राईब करू का सर?
Yes.
I have studied for the viability of this lactic acid LAB isolates in MRS and simulated intestinal juice. The simulated intestinal juice means the juice which is prepared and its condition is same as that of intestines. Here in simulated intestinal juice, all 7 lactic acid bacteria show ability to remove cholesterol in MRS media. Which this cholesterol lowering ability is 12% to 50%, 50%, and L14, L16, and L17 isolate show the superior ability, and in simulated intestinal juice, the L13, L14, and L15 show superior ability, while L19 show L19 which have the traced, which shows the traced ability. This is the comparative cholesterol removal ability of lactic acid bacteria in MRS and simulated intestinal juice. L13, L14, and L15 show higher ability, ability, and it removes cholesterol. And in simulated, compared to simulated intestinal juice in MRS, and the cholesterol can remove more. This is the photography for cholesterol assimilation and cholesterol assimilation simulated in intestinal broth. This is the summary during the study of cholesterol assimilations. L14 and all 7 bacteria show cholesterol assimilations. This cholesterol layering ability ranged from 12% to 50% in all lactic acid bacteria. L14, L15 isolate showed superior ability, while the lowest value of cholesterol assimilation was traced in L19 lactic acid bacteria. The future study is required to determine mechanism involved in removal of cholesterol by these all lactic acid bacteria. Yes, sir. This is the complete outcome of my PhD work. Here, isolation of all lactic acid bacteria, probiotic studies of all lactic acid I have used, and this all 7 bacteria I have studied for lipase production, and then my study is propagated to the cholesterol assimilations, during which L14 and L15 isolate showed the superior quality to remove the cholesterol. This is the outcome till date. These are my publications related to research works. These 3 research articles and 1 abstract.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
The topic is open for discussion now.
Yes,
if there are any questions regarding the topic presented, can be raised. Examiner, where is examiner?
There is not in the call, sir.
Okay. Are there any questions? Internal examiner? Shiva sir? Hope there are no questions.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you all.
You stop sharing.
Yes.